Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish dip. First, select a firm, white fish such as mahi-mahi or smoked mackerel for the best flavor. Cook your chosen fish until it is flaky, then allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, carefully flake the fish, ensuring all bones and skin are removed to achieve a perfectly smooth and enjoyable dip texture. This initial step is crucial for a delicious result. Next, let's create the creamy base for your fish dip. In a medium bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Stir these together until smooth. Then, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce for a subtle, pleasant kick. Mix thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Now it's time to add some vibrant flavors and textures to your dip. Gently fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, which provides a nice crunch and a hint of sharpness. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs, such as chopped dill or chives, for an aromatic touch. Finally, season your dip with 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a pinch of black pepper to taste, blending everything until just combined. For the best flavor, cover your fish dip and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, allowing all the delicious ingredients to meld together perfectly. When ready to serve, present your chilled fish dip with an assortment of crackers, toasted pita bread, or crisp fresh vegetables. It's a fantastic appetizer for any gathering. Also, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fish dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.